Yeah, question number 2 is, what research does your FRN do? Our research agenda was soil infertility, which was basically solving soil infertility problem and striga. Now, how is your research done? The research was done through group research gardens, which were of course replicated in the members' individual gardens. So each member would do exactly what was done in the group garden at home. On cereals, we had 4 plots established in our demo gardens, of 4 plots for the same variety, and we had 4 varieties like local, millet, narrow mill 2, narrow mill 3, cereal mill 2 for millet, and then we also had local sorghum, then narrow sorg 3, seso 3, and mark 56 for sorghum. First plot was a control plot where we practiced our local practices. The second plot was line planting and intercrop, and then the third plot had the line plant and farmyard manure, and the fourth plot had both the line planting, intercrop, and farmyard manure. Data was regularly collected after every 2 weeks and evaluated in terms of germination, growth rates, disease resistance, and weather resistance, duration, and then the yield in terms of quantities. All these were supported by our partner organization, and that was Vedico. For fertilizers as well, we have a group garden, and then we also have individual gardens running, and this was being facilitated by ASI, our partners there. And data was collected by delegated members, and individual gardens data collected by individuals but evaluated by the group. What roles do we play? Some farmers donate gardens for the research and tools. Tools, I mean the hose, the buoys for making lines, the pangas, wheelbarrow, and all that. And all members participate in garden preparation, planting, weeding, collecting manure. We're basically using farmyard cow dung, and monitoring, harvesting, threshing, value addition, and marketing. And then some members were collecting data, and then evaluation of experiments was basically done by all of us as group members. The other thing is, the question is, what is helping us do good research? The first thing that keeps us do good research is pressing needs amongst group members. The need to improve our soil. And then the other thing is local available resources like the land and some manure and tools. Then we have the guidance from our partners, talking about Vedico that came and identified us, ASI that has empowered us and made us who we are now, and then Nasari that has been behind there helping us with support, guidance. We have teamwork by members, availability of the improved seed varieties that were supplied by these organizations. What has been hindering us from doing good research is a prolonged drought that destroys crops. Every time you try to do research, sunshine comes and destroys everything. And then limited tools, like we have limitations. We don't have wheelbarrows, spades, sprayers, so we just borrow. Limited technology, line planters were not effective, poor record keeping by some members, and then limited funds to facilitate garden work. Is the research useful to you or your community? Please explain. Definitely yes. The research is very useful to me, to us, and the community, because it's addressing the needs of the community. They need to improve their soil and manage striga. Improved soil guarantees high yields, contributing to increased household income and food security. Then also the community got access to the new varieties of seed just because of the research. Thank you very much.